People love multi-time frame analysis. Multi-time frame analysis helps traders to make better decisions by combining short-term signals with long-term trends, improving accuracy and reducing false trades, right? Do you know there is an indicator that shows the market sentiments in different time frames for any instrument? In addition, you can also customize these timeframes based on your trading system requirements. In this video, I'll explain 7 unique TradingView indicators. I bet you never heard of any of these indicators in your trading career. So without wasting your time, let's start. Whenever I talk about technical indicators, many traders, attack me saying price action trading is superior, indicators doesn't work. They pass comments like this. So, friends, in my opinion, there is no superior thing, there is no inferior thing. If a price action trader is making money using price action, he is good. If an indicator based trading, if he's making money using indicators, it is also good. But what really bad is if a price action trader losing money using price action is really bad. At the same time, if a technical indicator trader losing money using a technical indicator, then it is equally bad. So in my opinion, there is no such thing as good or bad. But personally, I also love and prefer price action trading in my trading activity. However, many traders, especially beginners to intermediate level traders, they may not be able to in a situation to assess the price action trading accurately, right? They need some sort of support, whether to have a bullish view or a bearish view, or to identify a best entry point or an exit point. So in that case, if they depend upon technical indicator, there is no wrong about it. That's absolutely okay. That's one thing. And the second thing is, many people, even if they are intermediate level to next level, advanced level traders, they may not be able to control their emotions in the live market. They know, using price action, this is bullish or bearish. Sometimes they may not be able to control the emotions. So if such people, if they use technical indicators and if they depend upon a technical indicator and to control their trades, it is really good. There is no harm about it. So having said this, my first indicator is zero lag trend analysis. Okay. So if you go to TradingView, if you type zero lag trend analysis, this is a wonderful indicator I came across very recently. See, friends, what happens is many times we do the analysis in different time frame, right? For example, what I do is personally, I take a lot of BTST trades, or sometimes it's intraday. Suppose if the particular trade gives profits 80-90% of the profits in same day, means I will close the trade and look for next trade. Otherwise, probably look for BTST kind of trades. So in that cases, what I do is I look for a trend in a daily time frame, and I look for potential entry point maybe in hourly time frame or maybe in 50-minute time frame. So I need majority I need daily time frame, I need 1 hourly time frame, sometimes I need 50-minute time frame as well. So in that cases, instead of going daily time frame once, then hourly time frame one more time, and 50-minute time frame one more time, we can use this particular thing. For example, how it works is, go to daily chart. If you plot this, what it is saying is, in 5-minute chart, this particular is bullish, 50-minute chart it is bullish, 60-minute chart it is bullish, 240 it is bearish, one day it is bearish. Okay, so it is giving the recent information. Okay, so I'm showing it in the past. See, it also works like a trend following indicator. Okay, so this gives the entry point, this gives the exit point. So this gives the entry point, this gives the exit point for short term. For long term, this gives the exit entry point, this gives the exit point. So this gives an opportunity for adding additional position. Okay, so it also work like a trend following indicator, and it also gives signals or market sentiment different time frame. For example, see, if this is it gave a shorting signal here. So it given adding additional position signals here, then it given exit signal here. So I would say this is quite better than superior. I mean, it is quite superior than super trend indicator as well, because see, it gives time frames, market sentiment in different time frame. For example, you don't have to change it. For example, if you see right now, we'll go to 5 minutes just to uh, ensure. Okay, this is not a buy or sell advice, just a uh, just to understand how this indicator works. See, in 5 minute, the market is bullish. The indicator will take little time to load it actually. It was bullish in 50 minute also. You can see 50 minute it is bullish. If you go to 60 minute, it is bullish. 60 minute 1 hourly chart, it is bullish. See, this is how it works actually. I will go to daily time frame. Okay, so you can also modify this time frame. Let's say you don't want this 240, so you don't want 5 minute. So personally, I don't use 5 minute also. So what I can do is, if I go to the indicator settings inputs, I don't need 5 minute. Probably I need only 50 minutes. 15 minutes is, and sometimes even I don't use 50 minutes, but 50 minutes is enough. Second one is I need hourly is enough. So one daily is enough. Probably apart from these three, I don't need these things. Okay, so what I can do is I will keep weekly, I will keep monthly. So this is how I use. You can also personalize these things based on your convenient. Okay, here everything looks fine. See here, now I will get the sentiment. See, right now the Nifty is in daily time frame, it is bearish, weekly time frame it is bearish, monthly time frame it is bearish, but it is bullish in 60-minute time frame, it is bullish in 50-minute time frame. Okay, so this is how you can use this particular indicator. It is called as zero lag signals by Algo Alpha. Okay, so this is one indicator. Now the second indicator is Karma Cloud. Karma Cloud, I think this is by Mertens 3. So this indicator is very, very simple, friends. So what it does is it plots, it's quite similar to super trend indicator, but it is little different. So what it does is it uh, plots the bullish trend in green color. It plots the bearish trend in red color. Okay, that is one thing. And second thing is sometimes it also gives the small green color kind of thing. Okay, this is a warning signal. You can consider it as a warning signal, but not a reversal signal. Okay, suppose let's say you've taken a trade here. Okay, let's say you've taken a short trade here, so you wanted to trial your stop loss in case of a warning. Okay, let's you've taken a trade here, your stop loss, initial stop loss is here. Now the price came here. Now it gave this warning signal, right? So now instead of keeping your stop loss here, you can keep the stop loss above the previous swing high actually. So now it didn't turn up, it went down again. Now it gave an warning signal here, right? Now from SL, from here, you can trial it to here. Okay, whenever you see this warning signal, you can trial your stop loss. Okay, now again, price didn't here, but it showed complete reversal from here, right? So if you're in this case, SL is not triggered, so you can trial your stop loss completely and keep it here. Okay, so that's how it works. For a long trade, for example, let's say somewhere you have taken a trade here, initial stop loss will be somewhere here or here. Now there is no warning. This is a pure bullish trend, so there is no warning. You didn't get any warning until here. Okay, so until here, you made a good trade. So it works similarly in lower time frame as well. Suppose if we get into the lower time frame, it takes little time to upload. See, if you take let's say somewhere here you have taken a short trade, so it's a easy trade, there is no doubt about it. In this case, okay, you have taken a somewhere here a long trade, it would have hit the stop loss, that's fine. But assuming if it didn't hit the stop loss, means you can trial your stop loss using the lower range of the channel. Whenever you get a warning signal, you can place an aggressive stop loss. So there are two options, friends. One is you can trial your stop loss using the lower range or upper range for a short trade, lower range for a long trade. That is one option. That gives a smooth exit. There is no confusion about it. Another option is if you want to safeguard your capital for majority of the time means, then you have to uh, you know keep below the previous swing low. Whenever you get this warning signal, you can trial your stop loss. That's also you can work like that. So this is all about karma cloud indicator. The third indicator is this is quite interesting indicator, and I suggested this indicator for many people. Many people they struggle a lot to draw this kind of support trend lines or resistance trend lines. It helps for such kind of people. So this indicator is called as support resistance ultimate. If you draw this indicator, if you select this indicator, it will take little time to upload. Come on, come on, come on. It's showing some warnings in the runtime error. Okay. I will remove this and I'll reapply. Support resistance ultimate. Support resistance ultimate. I think I will get it now. Okay. We got it now. See, friends, this is how it works. This is a, quite really interesting indicator. You see, this is, I will remove this line as well. Okay. See, this is a resistance line. So this is a resistance line right now. So we don't want to get into the recent data. We will check the past data. I will go to some other instrument. For example, if I go to Bank Nifty, it takes a little time to upload. See here, this is a the red color lines are resistance lines. The green color lines are support lines. So it also thickens the levels based on the importance. See, for example, this green is very thick, right? Which means what it says is it is a very strong support zone. So this is very thin, right? So this means this is a decent level resistance line. Okay, this is also the resistance level. This is also resistance level. So it works like this. So you can also use it in any time frame. For example, if I go to 50-minute time frame, also it works. Only thing is it takes little time, maybe maybe 5 seconds to 10 seconds to upload. See, we got it now. See, this is how it works actually. See here, it plots very, very beautifully. It identifies the support and resistance levels in a very, very good manner. It also works in stocks. For example, if you go to TCS, maybe if you go to daily chart, see, this is a very thin resistance line. This is a very thin support line. This is little thick. This is little thick. So this shows this is very important, uh, indicator of resistance line. Okay. So it also works in lower time frames. Also, if you go to lower time frame, see this is a you know uh, important resistance level. This is a thin resistance level. Okay. So you can use the like this indicator like this. So that's all about the support resistance ultimate indicator. So the next thing is ranges and breakout. If I type ranges and breakout by Algo Alpha, this is another indicator. This indicator, I personally liked it very much because what it does is, uh, see, for example, I go to mm, see here, let's say this is a clear cut breakout, right? So it displayed a breakout here. It also points out the exit signal. See, in this case, this is the exit signal. So in this case, this is the exit signal. So not only gives the entry point, it also gives the exit point as well. Suppose if I go to the index Nifty instead of a stock. Mm. So here it indicated, a breakdown. It indicated an exit. It's a kind of break-even trade, right? So this mentions exit very very now I will not say precise, but it higher probabilities, it gives the exit signal very early as well. See, in this case, it displayed a breakout opportunity upside, but it indicated an exit point here. So here it displayed a breakout opportunity, this range breakout here, but it displayed an exit level here. See, it displayed a breakout opportunity. This is a range actually. That's why it's called as range and breakout. This it displayed a range breakout here. It displayed an exit here. See, most indicators, if they show, they can show breakout here, but they will show the exit signal somewhere here, the low, or somewhere in the here. But if you see here, it gave an exit signal at the top itself. This is, you know. What it means is you will be able to exit not at the bottom. Okay, you can exit at the maybe at the higher level itself. So that is one of the advantage of this trade. See here, once again it marked a range here. It displayed a breakdown here, and exit point it came here, right? Okay, it didn't get the exit point here or here or here, right? It gave an exit signal, very close to the low, right? Okay, so this is one such indicator which is called as ranges and breakout. Okay, now the next indicator is ultra supply and demand. Ultra and supply and demand by Ratak. This indicator might be confusing for some of you, but this is very, very simple. So how it works is it plots the demand and supply zones. Okay, so what it does is it is saying, see, simple words, support and resistance. In simple words, it says there is a higher probability of supply zone, which means this level acting as a resistance level is a higher probability. See here, this level acting as a support or a supply level. See here, this acted as a support and bounce from this level. See here, this level also can act as a support. This level can act as a support. This support. Okay, so this is how it works actually. See here, these are the important support levels or supply levels. We can check in Bank Nifty, for example. If you check in Bank Nifty as well, initially it gives like this, but what you need to do is you should do like this, zoom in. Then you will get the resistance and support levels or supply or demand levels. Okay, so this is the next resistance, this is the next resistance, this is the next resistance. So this is an important support level. Okay, so this is a resistance, this is an important support level, this is an important support level. It works like this. So you can also use it in lower time frames as well. See, there is an important support level here. There is an important support level here. There is a resistance level. There is a resistance level. Resistance level. Okay. So that's all about ultra supply and demand indicator. So you can fine tune all these indicators, and you can use these indicators according to your convenience. Okay. Now the next indicator is market structure trend targets. This is the chart prime. Market structure trend targets by chart prime is the indicator. So this is quite similar to super trend indicator, but it is little different. So how it works is, let's say this indicated from here, it started an bearish indication. So it also points how many swing lows or swing highs it broke. Actually, see, this is the first swing low, it broke here. This is the second swing low, it broke here. Okay, so this mentions the levels as well. Suppose you can exit here, this is the entry point. So this you can keep your stop loss. Once the price goes down here, you can keep your stop loss here. So that's how it works actually. See here, this is an entry, right? This is an entry. So it's saying it broke the first swing guy here, it broke the second swing guy here. Okay, so it gave an exit here actually. Okay, so you can also use this swing one, swing two to trial your stop losses also. That's also that's how I mean, that's the one way of using it. From here, once again, it started showing the bullish symbol. Please note this is in 50-minute time frame, but still it is showing very good signals actually. See, from here it started like this. So this is the first swing high it broke, second swing high he broke, and then third swing high it broke. Okay, so now it plotted this. Okay, so whenever it plots this, you can use this to trial your stop losses. So you'll get more clarity when you use this indicator in a higher time frame, like a daily time frame. Okay, so in lower higher time frame, it gives very good indication. See, for example, from here the uptrend started here, right? So it's saying it broke the first swinger here, second swinger here, third swinger here, fourth swinger here. Okay, so here you can keep your stop loss. For example, similarly, if you go to here, for example, I will go to, I think I will go to Nifty. You might get some more clarity here. If I go to Nifty, see here, there is a bullish indication. Either you can use this as a trailing stop loss, it would have been hit here, or what you can do is you can check this. Break of 1 2 3 indicates the strength of the trend, right? If it is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, it indicates a bullish trend. Okay, so until it keeps on making this, you can hold the trade, or you can trial your stop loss using this lower level indicator. So this highlights in you can say re-entry, or you can add your position. For example, you've taken some position here, it got like this. So whenever you get this green diamond or blue diamond, what it says is you can add your position. Okay, here also you can add your position. In this case, exit came here, but I will take one more example, clear example, to illustrate the same point. We don't have that much opportunity, much example in this case. Diamond. Okay. Okay, it is kind of here. See, if you have taken a long trade here, you have taken a long trade here. So what it is indicating here is you can add your position. For example, let's say you have taken some position here. So let's say you are keeping this level as a stop loss. In that case, you can add your position after the formation of this. You can add your position, and it goes up like this. Okay. So if the stop loss is not it, if you're not following this rule, or if you're following some other stop loss rule, once again it is showing and adding an opportunity here. Okay, so my point is this indicator helps you to it gives you ideas. Okay, it gives you ideas. You are the one who should make rules, and you need to follow that rules. Okay, friends. Now we will move on to the next indicator. The last indicator is statistical trend analysis. I hope the spelling is correct because I'm very poor at stats. Okay, so this is similar to MACD. So what it does is, if this particular graph is in upper side, means it is bullish. Okay, that is one thing. If it is downside, okay, which means it is bearish. Okay, that is one thing. The second thing, the strength of a trend, how to identify. So if you get more lines like this, more lines like this, it indicates bullish trend. If you get more lines like this on the downside, it indicates strong bearish trend. Okay, see here, if you place a cursor on top of this, it shows the candlestick colors actually. So if you get more lines like this, it is indicates a bearish trend. Okay, so if you get if the line is above, and if you get more lines like this, means it is a bullish trend. So this is how you can use this. If you go to some other time frame, for example, if you go to hourly time frame, also see here, this is a strong bullish trend here, right? See here, a strong bullish trend. See here, once again, it is a strong bearish trend immediately here, strong bearish trend here, right? And see here, so the price is downside, but the line is little above, sideways trend. See here, it is a sideways trend. See here, strong bullish trend, gap up, strong bullish trend. See here, bearish trend, strong bearish trend. See here, it is a strong bearish trend, right? So this is how you can use all these indicator, friends. Now, once again, My suggestion is you don't have to use all these 7 indicators. My suggestion is you pick any one of the indicator that appeals to your mind and which makes sense or which complements your trading strategy. So in that case, you pick that one indicator and study that indicator behavior in different time frames, like hourly chart, daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart. You just analyze how that indicator behaves in different market conditions. So once you get the complete clarity, then only start using that indicator. That's one thing. And second thing is always follow money management rule, friend. That's very very important, because anything can happen in the market, right? Let's say every indication is correct, but if Trump decides to put a bomb on a nation, the market will go down, right? So that's how you should follow money management rules. Even if you have 100% confidence in your trades, you need to place a stop loss, and you should not risk more than 1% to 2% of your capital on any trade. Okay, that's very very important. If you follow all these money management rules and all these technical analysis, there is a higher probability of making profits in stock market trading. I hope this video is really helpful, friends. If yes, you can share the content with your friends. You can subscribe to my channel. You can also think about becoming a member for my YouTube channel. And that's it, friends. See you in another video with another useful content. Until then, thank you. See you. Bye bye.